Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today while I share with you my MicroPuzzles box. You know, if you've watched this channel, I love doing puzzles. I usually do 1,000, 1,500 piece puzzles. My favorite brand is Ravensburger to do their puzzles, but I love this. I think this is such a unique and fun little box to get. Let me see. I do have a code for you to save $5 off your first box, and the code is UnBoxIt. And you can get 2 exclusive micro puzzles and 2 cute themed gifts. I think it's $24.99. Then you would save $5 off your first box with the UnBoxIt code. So this right here looks like an ice cream themed box to me. So when you open it, oops, I don't want to ruin the surprise there. This is how cute the box is, and it is an ice cream themed box. This month's box is Legendary. In case it's been a decade or two since the ice cream truck circled your neighborhood, we thought some cool puzzle treats were in order. And actually, we still have an ice cream truck that comes around. I think it's hysterical. I don't get from it, but plenty of the young kids do. So here's the little pamphlet that comes with, and I guess they're on Instagram. I'm sure they have a website. I know they do. Yeah, the MicroPuzzle website. So let's open this up and see what it says. So it just tells you, you know, a little bit about your box. There's a little scratch here. I guess a discount code. Scratch and win. Exclusive member discounts. And you can't use it on a subscription box, I think. But I don't know if I can scratch it with my finger. No. I would have to get a coin. I don't know if my scissors will do it. If not, I'll scratch it off. Oh no, the scissors will do it. Let's see. So if I want to order stuff off their website. Okay. This is going to be messy. I'll have to knock that on the floor. I have a save 15% underneath there. So if I want to order, I can save 15%. That's nice. So then it tells you the Legendary Dairy. Legendary. So Legendary. That must be this one right here. And they come in like a tube, like a test tube. They're tiny, tiny pieces, as you can see. Very doable. I mean, you know, the last couple times I put them together. I think I did them right here on my little table. There's a reason ice cream has been around since 500 BC. Whether on a stick, in a cone, or eaten directly from a 2-gallon tub, ice cream is always a fan favorite. Enjoy piecing together this whimsical collection of frozen treats. You can kind of see what it's going to look like. And then you can scan right there and get a bigger photo to help you if, you know, for guidance. I had to do that on, I think, the last ones because they were like Halloween and they changed colors. So I'm like, well, is that supposed to be purple or is it supposed to be yellow? Like, I was so confused. So I had to scan it. But that's really good. And these, I have the other ones. They just store nicely right in my bin rather than a big box, which I was saving. And then I shared all my, you know, gave them all away. They're all sealed like a test tube would be. And then when you're done, you take it apart, put it back in there, and you can pass them on to someone else. And then this next one here is Decisions. Strawberry, lemon, and lime. Oh my. With this many choices this month, you don't have to pick your favorite. Strawberry, it's strawberry, isn't it? We knew it. So then, I don't know. I guess, do we get all of them? Like strawberry, lime, and lemon? I don't know. I'll have to, once again, I can hit the little scan me to find out. But I think these are perfect. Like, what a cute gift to send to someone. I like these for myself. And then in here, it does give you a little picture of what the puzzles look like. I mean, sometimes I can use these little photos, but sometimes I do swipe, you know, scan it, and so I can see something bigger, blow it up on my phone a little bit. And then also in the box, we got from, and I don't know if there's a company on here. This is Double Scoop Vanilla Moisturizing Lip Balm. Let's see. That's such a nice vanilla smell. So I never will say no to lip balms. Aww. I scream, you scream, we all scream from MicroPuzzles. Look at that. It's a cute little pin. Now, I won't use it as a pin, but I will put that behind me somewhere. That is adorable. With the little puzzle piece. I don't know if you can see that's coming out the top. That is so adorable. And then, you know, your box presentation, like the little squigglies. Everything would fit nicely in there. Your 2 gifts, your 2 puzzles. And then your, you know, your paper was in there. How cute. I absolutely love this. There's nothing wrong with this box ever. I mean, puzzles are puzzles. And I think these are so much easier. Like when I do these, I could turn around and say, here, Mom, do you want to do some puzzles? And hand her these or share them with my sister. I know they're not, the rest of my family's not real big on puzzles, but these 500-piece puzzles, you know, they don't really take long whatsoever. Are they 500? Was I mistaken there? Did I say 150? Why did I think they were 500? No, I've read 500 somewhere else. 150-piece puzzles. Yes, that's better. I was like, 500. There's no way there's 500 pieces. It says 150 pieces right here for you to see. Easy to put together. I mean, they didn't take me but, you know, 15, 20 minutes the last time. I want to get that right here for you. It says 150 pieces. So I'm excited. Easy, easy. You know, they are very small pieces. So, you know, if maybe somebody elderly that has dexterity issues might struggle, or somebody very young, be careful because they could, you know, get them in their mouth and swallow them. So, you know, that's up to us as the adult to be responsible. I mean, obviously with an older senior, you don't have, they're not going to eat them. But they might struggle with these. But these were so easy to do, and I had so much fun doing them. So if you are interested in MicroPuzzles, I will leave all their information in my description box. Don't forget to use the code UnBoxIt to save yourself $5 off your first box. Thank you to MicroPuzzles for contacting me on Instagram and asking me if I wanted to share another box. I said, absolutely. And they were my exact words. Absolutely. I love your puzzles. It's the truth. I think they're awesome. Cute. Their website has so many puzzles on them. But to get this cute little box, you could send this as a gift to someone that loves to do puzzles, or somebody that maybe has some free time. Maybe somebody, you know, a family member that just retired. You could send this off to them. You could get this yourself. Send this to really anyone, any age that could do puzzles. I mean, you know, a 10, 12-year-old, they would love to get something like this in the mail. I think they love to get things in the mail in general addressed to them. But could imagine sending this to a young person. Now, it doesn't have to be a girl. It can be a boy. They have plenty of puzzles on their website. And have this, you know, come to them. They get to open a box that's addressed to them. I think that's a great, great gift idea. A gift for yourself, gift for a friend, family, loved one, and neighbor. Why not? Have a great day, everyone. And I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.